Dear learners, greetings from Muthulakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Kaveri College for Women, Trichy. In this session, I am going to give some introduction to Python and data types in Python. What is Python? Python is a high-level programming language that contains the features of functional programming language like C and object-oriented programming language like Java. Python is an open source software, which means that anybody can download it from www.python.org and use it to develop their own programming process. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in the year of 1991. Here are the features of Python. It is a platform independent language, portable, procedure and object oriented, simple and easy to learn language, and also it is an interpreter. Next, coming to the data type. First of all, you should know what is meant by data type. A data type represents the type of data stored in a variable or memory. Python has 5 different types of built-in data types. They are all none data type, numeric data type, sequence data type, sets data type, mappings. Now we look at none data type. The none data type represents an object that does not contain any value. None, which is used to represent an empty object, and its data type is to be considered as none type. Where we can use this none data type? We can use none inside a function as a default value of the argument. Numeric data type. Numeric type represents numbers. There are 3 subtypes: int, float, complex. Int data type represents an integer number. What is meant by integer number? Integer number is a number without any decimal point or fractional part. Float data type, which represents a floating point number. It contains a decimal point. Complex number is a number that is to be returned in the form of a plus b small j or a plus b capital J. Here, a represents the real part of a number and b represents the imaginary part of a number. The suffixes small j and the capital J, which indicates the square root of value -1. Boolean data type. Boolean data type consists of only 2 values, either true or false. The true value in Python is internally taken as 1 and false taken as 0. A blank string like empty double quotation is also represented as false. Sequence data type. What is meant by sequence? Sequence is nothing but group of elements or items. For example, you can take a group of integer numbers or group of real numbers which will form a sequences. There are 6 different types of sequences in Python. They are str, that is a string, bytes, byte array, list, tuples, and range. Next data type is sets. What is meant by set? Set is an unordered collection of elements. The set does not maintain any order. That is, the elements may not appear in same order as they are entered into the set. And also, sets does not accept any duplicate values. There are of sets. First one is a set data type and the second one is the frozen data type. Right? Set data type. How we can create the set data type? Set data type which is to be created as the form of example S is equal to 10, 20, 30, 20, 50. That is, the elements are to be placed within the curly braces and each and every element is separated by the comma symbol. If you want to print the set S, it may appear like 50, 10, 20, 30. The duplicate element is not to be displayed in the resultant part. We can also use set function which is used to create a set data type. Example, ch is equal to set of hello. Now print this set. It displays HELO. Here also the duplicate element L is to be printed only once. That is, set does not store duplicate elements. Sets are unordered, so we cannot retrieve the elements using indexing and slicing operation. Update method, which is used to add elements into the set. Remove method, which is used to delete an element from the set. Frozen set. Frozen set is similar to set. The only difference between set and frozen set are frozen set element cannot be modifiable. So we cannot apply the methods update and remove in frozen set. Example for creating the frozen set are, you can directly create the set and pass it to the frozen set function. You will get frozen set data type. Mapping data type. A map represents a group of elements in the form of key value pair. Dict data type is an example for mapping data type. The shortest form of dictionary is known as dict data type. What is the format for dict data type? Everything will be enclosed within the curly braces and the key and the value are separated by the colon symbol. This is the structure of your dictionary data type. We can use two more functions in dictionary data type, keys function and values function. If you want to retrieve only the keys from the dictionary, we can use the function keys. If you want to retrieve only the values from the dictionary, we can use the method value. This is the example for dict data type. So D, which is equal to 1 colon Viji, 2 colon Raji, 3 colon Madhu. 1, 2, 3 represents the keys. Viji, Raji, Madhu represents the values. If I give the statement print D of 3, it returns the value Madhu. That is, what is the value stored on that key? That value is to be printed on this statement. If you want to retrieve all the keys in the data dictionary, print D dot keys, it returns the value 1, 2, 3. Print D dot values, It returns the value Viji, Raji and Madhu. So keys and values function are used to retrieve the keys alone and values alone from the dictionary data type. Up to this, we have seen about the entire data types in Python. In our next session, we will discuss the sequence data type in G type. Thank you. Thank you for patient listening.